Tell us a little bit about your aircraft. Where does it come from? What model, etc.?
Okay, this is an Autogyro. It's a MTOsport, made in Germany.
Yes.
All right, this is probably the second model they had. They had an MTO3 before this one.
Yes.
This one's got a slightly more forward-leaning mast.
Okay.
All right, which allows for a little higher cruising speed.
Okay.
It's powered by a Rotax 914 engine, which is turbocharged. Yeah, and that's it.
Beautiful. Good morning, this is Christopher, out with my latest YouTube video here in Johannesburg at the Panorama Airfield. Please remember, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of my future uploads. Today I'm here with my dad, David Hainsworth, who's the pilot of this yellow gyrocopter. Can you introduce yourself quickly?
Yes, my name's Dave, and I'm Christopher's father and pilot of the gyrocopter.
How many years have you been flying this gyrocopter now?
I've been flying it for 6 years, and I've logged over 1,100 hours.
Beautiful.
In this type.
Beautiful. And what is the purpose of today's flight? Why is today's flight special?
All right, the aircraft hasn't flown since the 24th of March, and we got a permit from the South African Civil Aviation Authority to perform a 1-hour maintenance flight in order to ensure that the engines and the components on the aircraft do not suffer any corrosion damage.
Cool. So this is a very important flight, also a very exciting flight. First flight post-lockdown. I'm sure there's a lot of other pilots that are dying to get out there.
Oh yes, the air is going to be full of pilots this morning.
Awesome. And how's the conditions for flying here?
The conditions are not very good. They are perfect.
Fantastic. All right, so we are suited up. The gyrocopter is full of fuel and we're going to head out. Woo! awesome. Yeah. So you can land in an emergency. There we go. How was that?
That was the successful completion of a maintenance flight under lockdown.
Yes. Yes, that was awesome.